They say if you do this, something answers back. This mirror belonged to an old curandera. They say she trapped more than reflections. If you break it, it breaks you. Whispered, urgent. In a small Peruvian village, a mirror hung in a dark room, not ordinary glass. The ritual was simple. Stare, call a name, tap the glass once. If your reflection moves wrong, people say you must break it to free yourself. But when the mirror cracks, nights later hairline fractures crawl across your skin, like the glass remembered you. Nakakatakot ito. Wag mong subukan. Would you dare try this?